Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to sublimate on a dark 100% cotton t-shirt. I'm going to use the Hyerly heat transfer paper, which has a fabric stretchy material. I really like it. It's very breathable. It's not thick like vinyl. And once you print on the sublimation paper, you peel off the stretchy fabric from the heat transfer sheet, and then you just iron that onto the t-shirt. So anyway, let's get started and I'll show you how we do all that. Okay, so first we'll open Cricut Design Space and click on New Project. I am using a JPEG, so it's already set for print and cut when you upload it. So I'm just going to hit Make It. If you are going to sublimate with an SVG file, you'll need to select the SVG file once it's uploaded in Cricut Design Space and attach it, and then hit Flatten, and that would change it to a print and cut. But before I hit Make It, I want to show you what I do with the settings on the sublimational printer, so we can get the best quality, to print. So let me go ahead and show you that first, and then we'll go ahead and hit print. Okay, so first in the search bar, I type in printers, and the printers pop up, and I'm using an Epson ET2720 printer that I converted into a sublimational printer. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click on Manage. Okay, then I'm going to go to Printing Preferences. Move this up. Okay, so what I like to do, and mine already defaults to this, I saved it, but I want to show you just in case you don't know about this. So for the paper type, it usually says paper, and I switched mine to premium presentation paper matte, and the quality is usually, I think, standard. Yeah, and I changed mine to high, and then I click on color, and then what else here? Okay, so then you would hit OK to set that, so that applies that change. Then I went to more options, and it's usually on automatic. I changed mine to custom, so you would click on advanced, and right here you can change how bright you want your ink to be. So I tend to put mine higher, so it's more like dark, I guess. And then I clicked on color controls here, that's checked, and color mode is Adobe RGB, and then the gamma is 2.2. And then I hit OK. And then we'll go back and we'll go ahead and print this. But I like changing these settings because I really think it makes a big difference. So, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit Make It. And with the Hyerly that I'm using, you do not mirror the image. So we'll go ahead and hit Continue. Okay, then I'm going to send it to the printer, and mine is the Epson. So I'm going to click here and put it on Epson. Just wait while it loads. Okay, so we're going to scroll to Epson. Okay. Then with the Hyerly, you leave the bleed on. So we're all set. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit print. The paper I already put in the printer, and with my printer, if you're using this type, you put the white sheet facing up to hit print. So let's go ahead and print that, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so it just came off of the printer, and I'm going to put it on the Cricut mat because I'm going to have it cut it. So I'm going to go ahead, just make sure this is kind of dry because I don't want to smear it. I'm going to use the brayer and do it lightly. I just don't want it to smear, but I think it's dry. Okay. Okay, then I'm going to put it in the Cricut and hit print. Okay, so I just got off the printer and that's what it looks like. And remember, it is pretty dark, but it does darken. It's like if you used like blues or yellows or things like that, it will be more, it won't be as dark, but once you heat it, it will darken. Okay, so let me show you how this works. Okay. And I'm going to go slowly since this is a more detailed image. Okay, so this just comes right off, and I'm going to put from the side too. Normally I would just pull it right off, but as you can see, there's like little nicks and crannies, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it on. I'm going to show you just from on here what it looks like as far as the material. Since this was just so delicate, I didn't want to rip it. This just comes like, if this were the image, this just comes here. We'll use it here. It just comes like right off normally, but mine was really detailed. So it just comes right off. See how it is? It's just a really, I like the material. It's nice and breathable and it's thin. Okay, so now we are ready to iron it on. And typically you should use heat resistant tape, but everything is just like so detailed. I don't want to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it slowly, and hopefully it doesn't shift. So let's get started. Okay, so, and typically you hold the iron down for like 3 to 5 seconds, but that's at a much higher temperature, and this only goes to 360. So I'm gonna do it for like 10 or 15 seconds. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, let's check it out. Let's move this. Wow, I think it looks really cute. Hold it up for you guys. Can you see it? Isn't that cute? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button. That helps me out a lot. Hitting the like button gets the videos recommended to more people, which turns into more views and also helps me see what content you guys like, so I can make more of those videos. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, notification bell, so you don't miss out on any more videos. And always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.